don't make it pop, pop, make it pop, pop, make it pop, pop, make it pop. G don't make it pop, make it G don't make it pop, G don't make it pop, make it G don't make it pop, make it G don't make it pop, pop, make it pop, pop, make it pop, pop, make it pop.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're on our way to check out a two-family property, something that I really want to get my hands on in the future, maybe even like a triplex or fourplex. So they got one that's having an open house today, so I figured why not go check it out, find out what the rents are going for and how much it's being sold for. So yeah, I think it should be pretty cool. Let's go. Here it is. As you can see, they got the open house going on, two family, got the 2 units, look pretty nice. Alright, so this is the first unit. First unit in here. So this is the basement. See upstairs.
Well, it's not like the fact that it's a cul-de-sac, it's not a...
Looks like this is the living room for the first unit. Let's see upstairs. Bathroom, bedroom here, and then here we got a second bedroom here. It's not bad. It's pretty nice. Hi.
Hi. Nice sized bathrooms.
Wow.
Beautiful. Nice.
Let's see, I think it's a 2-bedroom on one side. I guess it's 2 bedrooms on both sides. Got a bathroom downstairs here.
There's nowhere to go.
Kitchen.
Really is not.
Wow. Okay, let's see.
All right, guys, I can't wait. I cannot wait. I want to send you
Here is the second unit on the other side. This one is the one that's a 3-bedroom, and as you can see, it's a lot more nicer than the other one, and this one's renting out for a little bit more than the other one. So this one's going for $2,600 a month. I like the floors. It's definitely spacious. Check out the kitchen. Wow, kitchen is nice too. Look like they did some work here. This side is definitely a lot better than the other one, so I could see why it's the rent is going for more. But I definitely would love to pick out. I definitely would like to pick up a two-unit property at some point. And then you also have a pool out here. The backyards are connected to both units. So that was the unit that we were in before on this side. And then this is the 3-bedroom one here. So it's pretty cool. Got a nice pool. All right, let's go back inside and check out the rest of this place. Okay, let's see. So we saw, this is a bathroom here. We saw that. We came from here. Here's the living room. Let's check up upstairs, see what the bedrooms are looking like. And by the way, this property is being sold for, I believe, about $319,000. So a 2-family for $319,000. It's like the second bathroom here. Definitely need to get my hands on a 2-unit or 3-unit property. I think this might be the master bedroom. So $2,600 rent for this side and $21 for the other side. Nice little office, or you could turn it into a bedroom. So this would be this is the second bedroom, third bedroom. So we got 1, 2, and then this is the third bedroom. Okay, decent size. Decent sized bedroom. Wow, so this unit definitely looks better. And this one also has a 1-car garage as well. Let's head back downstairs. We got like a basement here. Probably turn this into a bedroom.
Okay, she asked me if I signed in, but I don't think I did.
Oh, we,
I believe this is the garage. Okay. 1-car garage here as well. Okay, so I'm digging this 2-family. Very nice, very nice. Alright guys, well, we got to check out the multifamily property. Overall, I think it was pretty nice. Definitely want to get my hands on a multifamily at some point. Actually, when I first got my first property, I wish I knew better and bought a multifamily that time, but you know, you live and you learn. So I'm gonna still keep looking. Hopefully I come across some really nice ones in the future, and I'm glad I could bring you guys along with me. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also make sure to follow me on Instagram. So like if you guys don't see me post on YouTube for a while, I'm most of the time on Instagram posting stories, so be sure to follow me there. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.